Now, let's take a quick look at all of the stories making international headlines. UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson has clarified that the government does not want to impose a second national lockdown in the event of another coronavirus outbreak. Boris compared the option of a nationwide shutdown to a nuclear deterrent. UK also, so far, has nearly 3 lakh COVID cases with 45,000 deaths reported. The police in Barcelona are now limiting access to some of the city's beaches as many are ignoring regulations amid a resurgence of coronavirus cases. 1,200 new cases were reported in the city on Saturday. Officials have now banned gatherings of over 10 people and face masks continue to be mandatory. Spain currently has over 260,000 confirmed COVID cases so far. Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro, who has also tested positive of COVID-19, has ruled out imposing another lockdown measures despite rise in the cases. The president said that curbs will only kill and suffocate the economy. Bolsonaro also stepped out of his office, his official residence in Brasilia, to meet with his supporters and spoke to them. Bolsonaro also was wearing a mask. He also maintained distance. Hit by unemployment, rise in COVID-19 cases and reimposed coronavirus curbs, Israelis took to the streets in Jerusalem against the government. Israeli police used water cannons to disperse demonstrators around Prime Minister Benjamin. His residence, Israel, has now reported 50,000 coronavirus cases and 400 deaths. South Koreans this year celebrated the popular Mud Festival at home given the restrictions imposed due to COVID-19. It was an online celebration of soil on Saturday with people from all around the country enjoying the mud pools and mud packs within their homes.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.